Hi students, today I am going to teach you voice from how we change from active voice to passive voice. So this is very interesting grammar concept and easy one too. Okay, uh, what is voice? Voice is verb tells us whether the subject is acting or being acted upon. Is being acted upon. Active voice. When the subject is the agent or doer of the action. Doer of the action. So subject is in the active voice the subject is given agent or doer, whereas in the passive voice subject is in the receiving position. So when the subject is in the receiver of action, that is passive voice. In the active voice subject is the agent or doer of the action. Okay, so come. So actually from active voice to passive voice, active voice to passive voice, we are going to learn 12 tenses. Actually we have 12 tenses. So these are the 12 tenses we are going to learn in this model. Okay, come. So what is the first model in present tense? So out of 12 tenses, this is the first one, simple present tense or present indefinite. How we change simple present tense from active voice to passive voice. Okay, so first one. So this is the simple present tense, this is the subject, this is the verb, and this is the object. Okay, so in the passive voice, we start with the object. So English, first one. We start with object, English. So the next one is we have to write the be form. Here, since it is a simple present tense, as in the structure, there is no be form in the simple present tense. So in the present tense be form, we have to take. What are the be forms of simple present tense? Is, am, and are. So you take either of them, is, am, are. So the according to the agreement of the subject, here the subject is English, that is a singular. You take is. English is. And what we must do next? So what is the V3 form of this verb teach? Teach is the V1. Teach, taught, teach, taught, and taught. So this is the V3 form. So write only V3 form in the passive voice, and after that write by. And then you go for this she. So here she is the subjective case, but whereas it is turns into objective case, you must write her in the passive voice. So this is how we change from active voice to passive voice. The given sentence is in simple present tense. You understand? This is in the simple present tense. So any sentence that from active voice to passive voice, we always start with the object and then go for the be form and V3 form and by. So this is a structure of simple present tense if we change from active voice to passive voice. Is, am, or plus V3 form plus by. So you see everything here is V3 form and by. Similarly, you can change these ones. They sell mangoes. They sell mangoes. So they sell mangoes. They sell mangoes. How we change this one from active voice to passive voice? First, we start with mangoes. As I said, is, am, are. That's we must take in this model, in this tense. So mangoes are plural. I take are. What next? V3 form of verb. So here the cell is the V1. So V3 form is sold. Mangoes are sold by, they turns into them. Okay. Similarly this one. So start with sweets. Sweets are plural. Sweets, so that we take are. Liked. Sweets are liked by, we turns into us in passive voice. This is simple present tense. Okay, go before going for all models. This is not for simple present tense model, for all models. You see, when the subject is I, what is the objective case of I? That is me. So you look at here. I change I change they into them here. So when subject as a subject it is they, as object it is them. So how I change this one? According to this table. So we turns into us, you no change, he, him, she, her, it no change, they, them. So not for the for only for this model, for all models, this is applicable. Okay, so go for the next tense, that is present continuous tense. This is the present continuous tense. Subject here, verb is here, object is here. So as I said, we start with the object. So object is parts. So when we change, when we start changing from active voice to passive voice in present continuous tense model, so what is the structure of present continuous tense in passive voice? Of course, already we have are here, so we need not to bother about any helping verbs. So whenever are is here, you can take is, am, or. Is, am, or plus new word is being in this continuous model and V3. This is the new one. So parts, since subject parts are plural, you take or, and in the continuous tense model we write being is the new word we must add. So parts are being. V3 form is make, made, made. Next one by, they turns into them. Of course, no need to explain all these. V3 is mandatory for all active to passive. By common, them according to just before I have explained the table. So you focus on this only. So here in the present continuous tense model already we have is, am, or. Okay, so you take according to the subject. Luckily we have the subject is also plural, you take are. For the subject is a part, you take is. You understand? So parts are. Next one is being. So the structure is very clear. Is, am, or plus being plus V3. That is in the passive voice for present continuous tense. Like this, you can change in this model and the rest of the sentence also. So she is teaching English. She is teaching English. So you can write the sentence with English. So is, am, or you take is for since it is a singular. What is that for V3 form? Taught. English is taught by, sorry, English is being, it's a new word, being taught by her in the passive voice. So this is for you. You please try and find the answer. Okay. So next, go for the next one. Next tense, that is a perfect tense model. In the perfect tense model, in the perfect tense model, so like in the previous model, here the she is the subject, has received is the verb, and this is a letter is the object. We start with the a letter, a letter. So in the perfect tense model, we have to take either have or has plus be, and been and V3. In the continuous tense model, I use being. In this perfect tense model, we have to write been. So helping verbs in this model are have and has. In the previous one is, am, are. So no problem. We have these helping verbs here in this question also. So according to that, we can take a letter is a singular. You take has. You know, have for I and plural, has for singular. So since a letter is a singular, so that you take has. For example, letters are there, you can write have. So what is the new word we have to add here? Been. Received V3 form is received by, she turns into her. That is in the passive voice. So similarly, they have posted letters. Here you write letters. Since it's a plural, you write have. Been is common for all. Been. Post, posted, posted, posted. By, they turns into them. That is in the passive voice. You understand? So like this, you can change all. So even Pushkal has played chess. Chess, chess is singular, has been played by Pushkar. Understand? This is active voice to passive voice in perfect tense model. So far what I have explained you, simple present tense and present continuous tense and present perfect tense. What about the next one? That is perfect continuous tense. Before going for that tense, I want to explain an important concept. Look at here, what I have explained you so far. In the present tense category, I explained simple present tense. Okay, what is the structure I explained here? You take is, am, and are plus V3. In the continuous tense model, is, am, are plus being plus V3. In the perfect tense model, I explained you have or has plus been plus V3. So what is the last one in the present tense category? That is present continuous tense. Here a very interesting concept, students. Actually we have 12 tenses. We have 12 tenses. Out of 12, 4 tenses not have any passive forms. Only we have those subtracted 4. We have only 8 tenses. So we are going to learn from a change from active voice to passive voice for only those 8 tenses, not for these 4. But what you must know, what are those 4 tenses which don't have any passive forms? Those are, here you are. 3 perfect continuous tense don't have any passive form in future tense. Apart from these 3, future continuous tense also not have any passive form. So out of 12, you are going to learn only 8. So today in this video, I explain simple present tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect. There is no perfect continuous tense. So that means present tense category is over. You understand? This is in my next video. I explain how we change past tense category of sentences from active voice to passive voice. Not only that, and the interesting concept I want to tell you, this is very basic model. In the next level, I explain double objects and lengthy sentences, how we change from active voice to passive voice. This is only for basics. Okay, thank you.